Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Here with we are a new video especially for you. We are stopping to a world of colors, shapes and imagination. The world of day and Play-Doh craft. Whether you are a child, a parent or just someone who loves getting creative, colorful day, crafting is more than play. It's on adventure is learning, creativity and fun. So let's dive in and discover how to little bit of dove can bring endless possibilities to life. Clay and Play-Doh are some of the simplest yet most powerful tools for creativity. When with just a few colors in your hand, you can roll, press, twist and shapes them into everything you imagine. Play-Doh and Play-Doh are same of simplest yet most powerful tools for creativity. With just a few colors in your hand, colors are the heart of Play-Doh crafting. Bright reds, claiming blue, sunny flowers, yellow and cheerful greens. Each color adds a special energy to your creation. Mixing color make the fun even greater. Blends blue and yellow to make green leaves, or mix red and white of pink flower. So you can earn money with your this business about Play-Doh and clay. So viewers, if you need to watch more tutorials and amazing craft, DIY craft, so please must visit our channel. In this channel there is lots of homemade tutorial and DIY crafting, especially for upcoming Christmas event. So if you visit our channel, must watch all tutorials and share with your friends and your family. And must post your valuable comments, your suggestions and your comments is very precious for us. We can work on it, and next uploading is regarding your suggestions and thoughts and share with you. So still, if you don't subscribe our channel, please must subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and amazing video. Thanks for watching and support our channel. One more thing, there's lots of colors and Play-Doh colors and clay colors you can easily buy from market and start your own business. So to start your own business and your crafting diary, your crafting memories. So please must watch till the end. Thank you for your feedback and your comments.